Hi, I'm Carl Sutton, Technology Specialist for Mortgage Alliance. I support our brokers by developing integrated and automated technology applications that are easy to use and help them build businesses with enduring revenue. We've created systems and resources that set our brokers apart by helping to increase efficiency and effectiveness in customer acquisition, mortgage transaction, and ongoing client relationships. We call our integrated technology Mortgage Boss, Broker Originator Software Solution. Boss helps manage the business of our brokers, from prospects to payroll, deal submission to CRM, reporting to document storage, and much more. We even have a mortgage application called the Super App that uses lender logic to help our brokers determine where a deal can be placed while they enter the application. Best of all, the technology for our brokers is supported in-house 14 hours a day by the Mortgage Alliance technology team. There are brokers, there are lenders, and then there's Mortgage Alliance, and we think differently.